الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد. Welcome to our channel Prof Nordin Bey Academy for Computer Science and Programming Language. In the last video we learned about how to save data in database using entity framework, but now we want to complete that skills. So how to get all data using entity framework in ASP.NET MVC 5. First, go to department repository. This class contains all main operations, specifically CRUD operation, create, read, and delete. This class contains all main operation. Go to another operation, so Ctrl C and Ctrl V. The first is add department. The second, we can name it get all departments. Voilà. Without any parameter, but it returns a list of departments model. So list department model. We can develop this function inshallah. The first is get all department list department model comme results. So results equal new list department model, and finally return this res. Alhamdulillah, this res. So return this res. Second is go to entity data model. So department or department employee entities x equal new department entities. Go to list. So for age. So var, for example, item in x dot department dot to list and go to this. So define a department model objects. Can so T, for example, and now use T equal new department model and item in the so T dot name department equal item dot name department and T dot name department equal item dot name department. Alhamdulillah. So, and we can res dot add this object T to fill this list and res. Alhamdulillah. Now go to department control and try to develop index. So we can create Ctrl C, get Control V, but we can use get all data, for example get all data now, and try to create a view from this action. This view is list, and use the model department model and add. Alhamdulillah, we have a view. This view display name departments and name departments, but we in our case we need to display name departments also, so we can Control C, it's Control V, and go to model dot news model name department model name. So sorry, that's Control C and Control V. Now we use item dot in department and go to Control C and Control V, more departments. Name of department, name department, name of department, name department, and go to the get departments controller and try to return view. We have X department repository, so go X dot, the name of the function is get all departments between brackets. Alhamdulillah. Now go to this index, create get Control S, build our project solution, no mistake, and try to check the result, execute. Alhamdulillah, we have all departments and we can create new departments. If we create new, so this is list, we can create new departments. Alhamdulillah. Then complete our skills to develop a new function in department repository. But now try to use search by ID. Control C and say Control V, and so you can get all departments, get departments, and in parameter int name departments. Now if item, so can use if say dot name department equal name department can Alhamdulillah, this is a get department name departments. Try to apply this function in department controller, so we can use it. So get all data. Now use HTTP posts. control V, and we can control V, get data. No. But we can use int id return x dot get department between id. Now create now gets data. So sorry, create a new view, add view, this data and class model, so departments model, and add. Go to the departments control and gets data /html. So try to execute this. Forward solution. That's not awesome. So or sorry, we can get all data. We can execute this. Data. We have a problem. So so alhamdulillah, this is a very good mistakes. Gets data, so we can copy this to get data. Go to get all data and replace this data. When we click save data, gets data. Alhamdulillah. Then so try to execute this. Click to data. So name departments mathematics. We can add name departments. So just copy this. So go gets data, increase the writing size, and display for name. So we can get HR. So and we can Control C, Control V. Now model, so can model dots numero departments, and now numero departments, name departments we can. So save, get all data, execute. Data, الحمد لله numero departments and name departments. شكرا على الانتباه ديالكم والى اللقاء. See you again in other video to perfect the delete operation in this mini project which contain layers.